we came to talk about Westmoreland again. And as you guys know, over 20 people were shot in this space of 24 hours. A 2-year-old has died, 7 people dead. Like, it's crazy. And I wouldn't be doing my due diligence if I didn't give you guys this topic right here. And it says, police have named 5 wanted men from Grangehill. Westmoreland police have listed 5 men from Grangehill in the parish as wanted and said that the suspects are being asked to turn themselves into the police by midday Thursday. You'd only give them too long. By midnight tonight, them figure in. Which Thursday? Fewer. Anyway, the list was released by a law enforcement official on Wednesday evening following the shooting death of 7 people, including 2 children in the community. Listed as wanted are Isaiah Perry, otherwise known as Matthew Perry, or Cat of Kings Valley, Grangehill, who is wanted for shooting. Richard Hamilton, otherwise called Brutus or Mad Move, 23-year-old, of Paul Island District, Grangehill, Westmoreland. He's of dark complexion, same build, and is wanted for murder and other related incidents in the division. Haden Hamilton, otherwise called Fishy, of Paul Island District, Grangehill. He is of dark complexion, medium built, and about 5'11", and he is wanted for murder. Burton Shearer, otherwise called Bop, 49-year-old, of Church Lincoln District, Grangehill, Westmoreland. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and 5 feet 11 inches tall. He's wanted for murder. These men are considered to be armed and dangerous. When are they not? As such, their whereabouts must be reported to the police immediately through Crime Stop at 311-811 or the police 119 emergency number, said the police, who released the photos of the 4 of the suspects. The lawmen are also reminding people that it's not only an offense to harbor criminals and provide a safe haven for them, but it also places the lives of family and friends at increased risk of attack. A total of 7 persons were killed in a number of attacks on communities in and around the Grangehill since Tuesday morning, which the police have linked to a lot of scam-related feud. So these are the 5 persons that they're saying they want in connection with these 20 people, that some has been injured and some have died, that they need to get on hand. Yes, we can blame the government because they're not doing enough as far as Westmoreland is concerned. And yes, we can say there's 3 police stations in the vicinity. You have one at Little London, one at Savannah, one at Negril. So we should be more than equipped to handle these types of things. But when you have people in our communities harboring fugitives like this and providing a safe haven, like the police said, it makes it hard for them to do their jobs. Like, quite honestly, their jobs are hard enough. If you put an extra hardness on it by somebody providing safety for them, is just another issue that they have to deal with. And quite frankly, if you ask me, if they find them in somebody's house in Grangehill, the person that them in the house will them find, if them find them in somebody's house at Grangehill, the person will them find them in their house need to get locked up because they're harboring a fugitive. And too many times in Jamaica we see that these murderers, these criminals, these menace to societies are in our communities or in our area where we live, and we say nothing because they have people protecting them and providing a safe haven for them. And the only reason why they're doing that is because they're basically helping them with their lifestyle and provide them food, grocery, then provide nice car, big house for them, everything that they could ever imagine. So that's why they're protecting that. Them basically they protect their meal ticket And if they get rid of that meal ticket, you know what's going to happen. They will become one of those people that have to fend for themselves and do for themselves. And enough of them people, when you see they're protecting criminals like this, don't want to work. They don't want to do anything. All them want to do is live off of other people. So, quite honestly, if these 5 people were responsible for kill 20 people in less than 24 hours, not even kill 7, injured 8 more, and if them responsible and you know of them, you know their whereabouts, say something. And we need the law enforcement to be more serious when it comes on to people harboring fugitives and providing safe havens for criminals. You can't make people get away with stuff like that anymore. Like, Jamaica is in a state where certain things you can't let fly, certain things you can't give a bly. Like, it does not matter. Once you're caught up with somebody that's wanted or in some criminal activities, then you're gonna pay the price and pay the consequences, and you're gonna get locked up with them, even if you didn't know, even if you're innocent to all of it. Once you're in and around those people, you need to pay the price for it, because it's getting out of hand and out of control. I mean, understand, say the police and the government can't do everything, but they can do something. They're holding a meeting in Sav with the security minister, and the police commissioner is not going to help the state Westmoreland is in. Westmoreland have the highest murder rate in all of Jamaica. You sitting and strategizing is giving these criminal time to go do whatever them want to do. Go to a different parish, make one different strategic plan how they won't kill somebody else or kill more people in a particular community. Like, you just sitting twiddling your thumb, not going to help at all. And the people them would have talk about Jesus I go help and all these things, and the whole prayer meeting at Grangehill. Like, I'm sorry to let you guys know, Jesus loves you, yes, Jesus is everything, yes, but there comes a time when you have to help yourself. Okay, Jesus say help, he will help those who help themselves. He never say about help those who don't want to help themselves and don't want to do nothing. And a lot of these Jamaican people, they're so caught up in Christianity. Like, it baffles me how them so caught up, but them whole community and neighborhood falling apart, and the pastor wouldn't even come out and say something, or the pastor wouldn't even lend a helping hand. The pastor wouldn't even talk to the bad man them in the community. Like, it's crazy to me. It's crazy. Like, we can look at this at all different angles. At the end of the day, everybody have to come together and do their part, because it not gonna work otherwise. It's not going to work at all. And quite frankly, me love Westmoreland. Westmoreland me born and grow. Anytime I go back to Jamaica, Westmoreland me come from. But with the way they go on right now, me not sure if me safe going back there. So, like, it's crazy. Crazy. But comment in the comment section and tell what you guys think about these 5 men that are wanted in connection to the 20 people that have been, some killed, some injured, and little baby them with them killed. Comment in the comment section and tell what you guys what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. One part of here, man. Deuces.